So KW Plastics here in Troy, Alabama, we are considered the world's largest plastics recycler. People, they know maybe what we do, but they don't know exactly how we do it. We are also members of the Association of Plastic Recyclers, APR, and after years of trying to combat bad, negative media and just a lot of misinformation that's out there about, is recycling actually real? Does it really make a difference? APR came up with this idea for the Recycling in Action campaign. During the month of May, they encouraged people like us to open our door, to allow the public to come in for tours and to really get behind the gates and pull back the curtain on recycling. And we offered 2 tours. We had about a dozen people to participate. We started at our local recycling center, and we actually told the story of a yogurt cup today. We took a container, a polypropylene container. There certainly has been a lot of questions about recent years if it can be recycled or not. But we started at our local recycling center, and we followed this container all along the pathway. We saw it get sorted. We saw it get baled. We went over to KW Plastics Recycling Division, where we saw what polypropylene bales look like in mass, what they look like on a wash line.
We actually do operate our own wastewater treatment facility. It's a tremendous amount of water that we use to wash all of this material. On a daily basis, we are processing about 7.5 million containers. So think about that little polypropylene, this, milk jugs, all kinds of plastic bottles. This is what it's going to look like at the end of the line. It's been size reduced and clean. It's going to be stored in those silos out there and ready for extrusion.
We visited our lab, and we talked with our lab technicians about all the various lab techniques and testing that they do to be able to certify material, both coming inbound, our raw material, and outbound, our resin product. Then we finally ended up at our sister company, KW Containaer. They are injection molder of all plastic paint cans. And we got to see what happens when those pellets leave our doors. They're sold to a molding operation that we just happen to have down the road, one of many customers that KW Plastics has. And our guests were able to see these pellets getting molded into all plastic paint cans. And I think their eyes were really opened to talk about the volume of material that we're talking about, that diverse applications. All along the way, they saw a lot of innovation and technology, a lot of investment that is made into recycling, employees at work, and jobs and families that represents, that the recycling industry supports. And it was a great day. It was a great day for us to bust some myths, so to answer questions about contamination and really the viability of PCR. And a great day just to talk to some recyclers and just assure them that recycling is real. It really works, and it really can make a difference.